FIFA is turning to streaming platforms to maximize its return on the 2026 World Cup. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. 2 months after announcing a preferred platform partnership with TikTok, the organization has now struck a similar deal with YouTube. Broadcasting rights are FIFA's largest revenue stream for the tournament, and media companies pay top dollar for that access. So deals like this with streaming platforms help sweeten the package for broadcasters looking to boost their reach. But what does that mean for those watching from home? FIFA says its media partners will have the option of streaming a selected number of matches in full on their YouTube channels. They can also live stream the first 10 minutes of every match, presumably serving as a hook to coax viewers to finish the match on television. In addition, FIFA's media partners will get access to every angle of match footage to craft custom content. FIFA's Secretary General Matthias Grafstorm said, as the world's attention turns to the action in Canada, Mexico, and the United States, this collaboration with YouTube reinforces our ambition to maximize the tournament's impact across the ever-evolving media landscape. He says the partnership will offer fans everywhere easy access to an immersive view of the biggest single sport event in history. The World Cup runs from June 11 to June 19. Matches will take place in 16 cities across Canada, Mexico, and the US. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.